welcome to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. Temperzone has supported us all year and will be back again supporting Play in 2024. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. The HVAC in our industry is calling on the Australian government to be a signatory to the new Global Cooling Pledge to be launched at COP28 next month. Now, the 2023 United Nations Climate Change Conference, which is more commonly referred to as COP28, will be held from November 30 to December 12 in Dubai. Now, this is where the Global Cooling Pledge will be officially launched in an effort to reduce emissions created by cooling by 68% by 2050, and that's based on 2022 levels. Now, current cooling emissions are responsible for about 7% of the world's total emissions, but this figure is expected to triple as emerging nations like India adopt more air conditioning in more buildings. ERA is just one of the industry groups calling for Australia to sign the pledge. Another supporter is Conry Tech CEO Sim Ringwalt. He said it would be scandalous if Australia didn't sign. However, at this point, Australia is yet to signal its intent to sign the voluntary pledge. Now, the Australian HVAC system market grew 8.19% between 2017 and 2022. Now, this is according to a new research report released by researchandmarkets.com. Australia continues to rely on imports from China, Malaysia, Thailand and Italy, just to name a few. China, of course, holds the largest market share at 37.56%, the report said. The report predicts that Australia's HVAC market will grow at a compound annual growth rate of 7.2% from 2023 through to 2029. The cooling segment dominated the market, with commercial applications the lead revenue earner in 2022. Daikin Air Conditioning has commercialised its new air conditioning and compressor manufacturing facility in India, spread across 75.5 acres. The facility has the capacity to manufacture 1.5 million air conditioners per annum and 3 million compressors per annum. The facility will meet the growing demand for air conditioners in India and overseas. Daikin has more than 100 production facilities around the globe. And finally, CCN, in partnership with the Australian Refrigeration Council, launched NextGen 2024 yesterday. This means the search is on to find our top 20 technicians under 25 years of age to make up our next generation of fridges for 2024. Now, everyone's welcome to nominate. Simply go to the CCN website. Now, the level of interest in this initiative it grows every year. So I recommend you get in early. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which once again were brought to you by Temperzone Australia. Thank you for watching.